Hello there and welcome to the last Grown Up in the Woods. Today we are eating grasshoppers. Now grasshoppers are one of the world's favorite insects to eat. There are billions of people who eat them, even though Western culture seems to think it's disgusting. Now I can tell you I've eaten crickets before and they tasted really good. But aside from that, grasshoppers make a great survival food because they are big, they are relatively easy to collect, and they taste good, and they're full of amazing protein. So I will need to cook these guys because they can carry parasites. Apparently their proteins or whatever start to break down shortly after they die. So they're supposed to be like crab or lobster where you cook them alive. I don't know if I can do that. So I am going to put them in the freezer for about 5 or 10 minutes, and if it doesn't kill them, at least it'll make them a little bit still and numb to it all. And I'll start up the barbecue. Yum. So these bottom leg pieces are barbed and you're supposed to pick the wings off. I chose to do it after I barbecued them, just because now I know for sure they're dead. Okay, here we go. I almost ate it without even recording. Nice one. I know. Hey, travel small, live big.
Oh, hey, Carly.
What did the bee say to the flower?
I don't know. What?
Hey, bud, when do you open?
Really?
Like, you can see the, translucentness of their legs. And all that delicious meat inside. Maybe I'll just have a leg. That's manageable. Okay, that's pretty good. You know, like, crispy chicken skin? That's what it's like, but not that chewable. Maybe I should have taken the whole leg off. I took too long, now I've got an audience. Okay, there it goes. Not bad.
Better give one to Carter.
Yep.
Give him the big juicy one.
You want a big juicy one?
No.
That one probably just tastes like charcoal because he's so burnt.
Yeah, do it.
I actually had a bit of an aftertaste. I think that came from the barbecue.
Why'd you do this to the poor crickets?
You just ate
It
it.
tastes so burnt.
We'll try a bigger one. They're not as burnt.
Okay.
It's like something's up with the barbecue. I think it tastes a little bit like.
Oh, I can't believe you did that. I ate them.
They taste like roasted pumpkin seeds. That one tasted better than the first.
I had an old one the first time.
Probably. I took one of the bigger ones. The small one tasted burnt, apparently. The medium-sized one tasted like pumpkin seeds, which is exactly what the crickets I ate tasted like. Yeah, the older ones have a bit of a taste to them. I don't know if it came from the barbecue or not, but that medium one, pumpkin seed, delicious. So there you have it. Food that's eaten by millions or billions of people around the world, but in North America is thought just of us as a survival food, but not bad in all. So if you don't follow Travel Small, Live Big, you probably should. Heather, Jim, and Lexi, their wonderful lab, live on the road or on the water because they have a sailboat as well. They go on all sorts of wonderful adventures and show off the places that they're visiting. Now hold up, it looks like we've got a bonus joke.
What do you call a business owned by apes?
I don't know, what?
A monkey business.
So I have a whole playlist called Startling Culinary Adventures with slugs and ants and some other things right here. If you would like to subscribe to Travel Small, Live Big, which you should totally do, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can click right here. And that's it. So long and see you next week. Ish.